Introducing the powerful Draw on Map feature, an easy way to find properties in your preferred area. Instead of browsing through hundreds of listings, you can now visually select the exact area where you want to search. Simply click the Draw on Map button, then outline your desired region by drawing a shape directly on the map. You can draw circles, rectangles, or custom polygons. Once you finish drawing, the map will automatically show all properties available within that area. It's fast, accurate, and incredibly convenient. If you want to start over, just click the Clear Map button to remove the drawing and select a new area. Whether you're searching for your dream home or investment opportunity, this feature gives you full control over your search. Find properties your way with the Draw on Map feature. Try it now.